This is HollyLand's latest broadcast quality wireless microphone kit, the Lark Max 2. And this Ultimate Combo Edition comes with something that I've not seen in any other wireless microphone kit, which I believe is a game changer. Let's dive in to see how everything looks. So in this combo pack, you get the wireless microphone kit, you get a USB-C cable, a lightning cable to USB-C, 2 TRS cables, wind muffs, then you get this very nice carry pouch to put everything in. We're going to dive a little bit closer into the actual microphone kit, and then also this device, which is a game changer. So we'll start off with this and see how everything looks. So we get two high quality transmitters, which we'll take a closer look at in a second. You get a USB-C receiver for your iPhone or Android phone, and then you also have a larger digital display receiver for your cameras. And we'll go through some of the settings that this shows. So with the transmitter, you do have a clip at the back, which actually snaps out and then snaps back into place. Now just on the left hand side here, you can see it has a record button. This has internal recording, so you can use that as backup recording if you like. This gives you roughly over 10 hours of internal recording, and when you do want to use that, you can actually transfer the 32-bit float wave recording files directly to your laptop by connecting it via the USB-C cable, and it should show up on your laptop as an external flash drive. Then you also have a button for the power button, the noise cancellation button, and a mute button depending on the number of presses. High quality microphone input just there at the top. And with the USB-C receiver, this actually has one button here which allows you to turn on the AI noise cancellation. Simply press that, the LED light on there goes from blue to green. Green means the noise cancellation is on, so it gives you a very good indication of whether you have that feature enabled or disabled. And if we dive in a little bit closer with the digital receiver, you've got this nice OLED display. If you click into one of the transmitters, from here you can turn on the noise cancellation on and off. You've got the mute button, and actually you can start the recording from here as well. Press the menu button to go back. If you press the button on the side, this is where you can actually cycle through all of the various different settings. So you have the record mode. If you go in there, you can switch between stereo and mono. You also have the option for the safety track. If we go into the mic settings, this is where you can adjust the mic gain. You can actually change the 32-bit depth. You can actually switch that between the internal recording and a USB output. Noise cancellation settings. You've got the equalizer on here. You can check the storage levels. You can lock the mic. You can automatically record. With the auto power off, you can set the interval timings. Right now it's on the default 15 minutes, but if you don't want it to automatically turn off based on inactivity, then you can set that to never. You've got the mic ID, which you can turn on and off. You can change the lighting controls on this as well. This is where the game changer comes into place, which is the monitoring. I'll talk about that in a second, but just for the other settings, you have your recommended settings, you can set time code, custom shortcuts, and just look at the settings for the actual microphone kit as well. You can pair it, you can change the brightness levels, phone speakers, languages, reset, etc. Now I want to showcase a little bit about this game changer device. The combo pack comes with these. This is referred to as the OWS monitoring earphones. This is great if you want someone that's recording you to be able to monitor your audio wirelessly and see if everything is coming out as expected. Let's just take a closer look at one of these. So you simply expand this out. This bit sits behind your ear. You've got a high quality speaker there that's over the ear that allows you to hear everything the person is saying from the transmitter. And it's very quick and easy to use, especially if you want to film by yourself. This is good to make sure that the audio is coming out just as you expect. You can make the adjustments to the gain levels, for example, and it's just something that I don't see that very often in any other wireless microphone kit. Now if I go back to the receiver here, on the left hand side you have the 3.5mm jack for the camera connection with TRS cable. On this side you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can monitor the audio with a wired set of headphones, or if you want to use it wirelessly with the OWS monitoring earphones, then you simply go into the settings. If you go to monitoring, you select this as wireless. Make sure it's not on the default, which was wired. So when I go to wireless, every time I connect one of those earphones to my ears, I can hear everything that I'm saying, which I think is absolutely great and very important, especially if you film by yourself. You want to make sure you have the best level audio when you do transfer all of your files over for post-editing. So let's go ahead and test everything out by connecting it to my Sony camera and showcase how the audio quality is. Okay, so up until now, you've been hearing my audio with my shotgun microphone just here. So now I'm going to play back the audio directly coming from the Lark Max 2 transmitter. And now this is the audio coming directly from this wireless microphone. And I have to say, the quality on this is so clear, it's crisp, it's sharp, I can hear every dialogue. And of course, I'm recording indoors, so I don't have the need to turn on the AI noise cancellation. But what I will do is head outdoors where it's a little bit windy, there's a lot of people talking in the background, and just to really showcase how great that noise cancellation works. Now, some of the other specs, if you really wanted to use this microphone for long distance shooting, then actually this can go up to 340 meters in a straight line of sight. Not just that, this has all day battery life. So each of the transmitters and the receiver that's connected to my camera at the moment independently has about 11 hours of battery life, but with the charging case, this can go all the way up to a total maximum of 36 hours, provided you don't have the noise cancellation off. So it all depends on the usage of how much you use that feature. Now you can probably hear the audio on this is absolutely great. You can have it set to mono, you can set it to stereo mode. It's so versatile that it has so many different options to make sure you get the best audio for whatever filming and whichever situation you're in. Now this is the wireless monitoring earphones that I've got on my ear. It's very lightweight, so it's beneficial for the camera person just to make sure that they can hear everything you're saying very clearly. Of course, I'm hearing myself back on this. So in fact, I'm going to remove this because I'm hearing myself twice. But if I'm filming like myself and there's no one else helping me do my filming, this is very great for me to make sure that the audio is coming through. There's no problems in the connections. And in fact, if I want that confidence and peace of mind that everything is going to work, I'm just going to go ahead and hit that record button just to have that backup recording in case there's any connection or pairing problems with the receiver, which I'm not saying there would be, but overall, as you can hear, this sounds absolutely great. So now let's go ahead and head outdoors, and I'm going to connect the USB-C receiver with my iPhone and try out the noise cancellation with the little button on the side. That will make the blue light go to green, and hopefully that gives you a clear indication of how absolutely great these sound. Okay, so now we're outdoors. We're testing out the Lark Max 2. So you can see there's a lot of people behind me. There's some music playing and it's a little bit windy today, but I really wanted to showcase how great the audio quality is on this microphone if I don't have the noise cancellation turned on. But of course, now we are outdoors, we're going to test it by turning the noise cancellation on the receiver by pressing the green button. So now the light on the receiver has gone green, and hopefully this has drowned out a lot of the wind that's coming into the microphone. I don't have the wind sleeve on, but you can hear a lot of my vocals very clearly. And there's still a lot of people walking past me, they're talking. You won't be able to hear any of that conversation because it's now isolated my voice using the AI technology on the HollyLand Lark Max 2. That's all right. So as you can see, people are walking past, they're having conversations with me, and you didn't hear any of that because the noise cancellation is absolutely great. So hopefully that gives you a great indication of how the audio is outdoors. And there you have it. How great was that noise cancellation? That test outdoors, if you are going to do a lot of filming outside where there is a lot of background noise, then this AI noise cancellation feature that HollyLand have implemented into the Lark Max 2, in addition to having the wireless monitoring earphones, I believe is actually a game changer, and you're going to start seeing a lot of content creators, a lot of filmmakers now using this set of wireless microphones. I'm super happy. I've been a fan of HollyLand microphones for a very long time. I reviewed pretty much all of their wireless microphone kits in the past, which you can also check on my channel. But if you did like the sound of this and you are in the market for getting a new set of wireless microphones, then make sure to check out the Lark Max 2 by hitting the link in the description. Check out all of the latest pricing information, any offers or discounts. And as always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. I review microphones all the time, and I will catch you all at the next one. Take care.